In this video, we are going to assemble an Infinity Meridian massage chair. The only tools you'll need for this assembly is a Phillips head screwdriver that is included with the additional parts in your kit. We're going to begin by installing the arms of the chair. First, connect the electrical connections and air hoses. Then wrap them in the covering that is provided. As you can see, the right arm of the chair has more connections than the left arm. When tucking the wires and hoses into the frame of the chair, be sure to not pinch or fold the tubes. The next step in installing the arm is attaching it to the frame. Towards the front of the arm, there's a bracket with a hook. This corresponds to a set of screw holes near the front of the chair. Align the hook and slide the arm into place. The screw holes on the bracket will line up with the screw holes on the frame. Now maneuver the back of the arm to align with the open slots. There are two sets of screws included with your kit, a shorter set of screws and a longer set of screws. The shorter set of screws are used on the bracket towards the front of the arm. The longer set of screws are used to mount the back of the arm to the frame. With the arm firmly attached to the chair, we are going to install the plastic trim pieces over the screws. Notice that these pieces are labeled left and right. Pop the ball into the socket and then slide the top into place. Note that the trim pieces are very brittle. Handle them with care. With the arms installed onto the chair, we'll need to power it up for the next part of the assembly. Plug the chair in and attach the remote, and bring the chair to an upright position. The first step when attaching the leg rest is to place the bushings over the axles. Make sure the notches are not covering the holes on the axles. Once both axles are prepped, slide the leg rest into place and attach the electrical connections and air hoses. Now slide the footrest all the way down one axle. You should have enough room to then slide it onto the axle on the opposite side. With the leg rest in place, install the included cotter pins into the holes of each axle. The final step with the leg rest is to take the cover flap and attach it to the seat of the chair. To do this, you need to lift the seat cushion and place the cover on the Velcro underneath. Then replace the cushion so that it's securely on the Velcro. Once you have the chair fully assembled, put the chair into an auto program to make sure all features are working properly. If everything is running smoothly, you're good to go and ready to unlimit your wellness. Enjoy, and thank you for joining the Infinity family.